Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about why adjustments will not fix your jaw pain. So it's kind of a loaded topic, and what most people don't realize is what an adjustment is doing. So let's talk about that first. Let's say a provider goes in and does an adjustment to a joint. The job of that adjustment is to improve the mobility of the joint, and in doing so, it will give you short-term pain relief. The pain relief will last between 24 and 48 hours. This is typical for all adjustments. Adjustments are typically not meant to fix a problem. We do them in our practice, but at the end of the day, we know that there's more to it. The glue to it is movement, exercise, strengthening. So the adjustment can help improve symptoms, but not get rid of them. Why this is even more important when it comes to the jaw TMJ pain is because temporomandibular joint disorder, keyword disorder, is a combination of symptoms from the jaw, the neck, and the upper neck, lower part of your skull. Those areas all need to be addressed to treat the problem. So if you're just going and getting adjustments to the jaw, maybe an adjustment to your neck, but they're not addressing the lower part, the upper part, the jaw, and also the weakness in your upper back, then what tends to happen is you'll have to keep coming back for more and more adjustments. So this is why adjustments alone don't work for getting rid of jaw pain. So what you should do is check out some of the other videos that we have where we go through some different types of exercises for jaw pain and some different movements that you can do to help get you relief, strengthen up your jaw muscles, strengthen up your upper back, and then help get you back in the game, eating, talking, yawning, sleeping with less pain over time. If you like some of the content that we're producing, please hit the subscribe button below. We would love to have you join our community to learn a little bit more about what we do and give us the opportunity to help you get out of pain and live a life that you always wanted to live. Thanks so much.